So after you have read that story, we're going to go through character, setting, problem, and solution. Isn't that a good story? I like that. I like those old lady books. Okay, so characters. Characters are the people in the story or animals that are in the story. Some examples of that would be SpongeBob, Mario, we have the gingerbread man. Setting. The setting of the story is where the story takes place. And then the problem of the story is what goes wrong in the story. And then solution is how the problem is solved. So we're going to go down here to story map, and this is where you kind of press play so you can see what you need to do. After you have read The Old Lady Who Swallowed Some Leaves, you are going to type in this box who the characters are, okay? You're going to type in this box where you think the setting might take place. You might have to think about that one. You're going to type in the box what the problem is. You're going to type what the solution is. And then right here, you're going to type the title of the book, okay? That's all you have to do for this one.